Hello everyone, we have here exponential equation 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 plus 2 equals 16 to the power of 3, and we'll be solving
for all the values of x.
So in solving this equation, if we take a look at the base 4 and 16 can be converted to base 4. So since 4 squared is 16, so we can have a common base.
So from here, we'll be using the rules of exponent. We can also solve this equation by using a common logarithm using log base 4.
So 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 plus 2 equals 16 can be written the same way as 4 squared to the power of 3. And the equation now becomes 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 plus 2 equals 4 to the power of, multiplying this exponent right here, so 2 times 3 is 6 to the power of 6. So this is from the exponent formula. A to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a raised to power of m times n. Alright, and from here, since they both have the same base, we can have the exponent equated together now. So from here, so x to the power of 4 plus 2 equals 6. So from here, we followed the principle of the exponent rule again. That is, a to the power of b equals a to the power of c, both the same base. That means the exponent can be equated. So this is b is equal to c. So that's what we have applied on here. Alright, this equation can be written the same way as x to the power of 4 plus 2. Transposing 6 right here to the left, it will become negative 6 equals 0. So the equation now becomes x to the power of 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4 equals 0. And from here, the equation can be written the same way as x is squared to the power of 2 minus 2 squared is equal to 0. And if you notice, the equation now is transformed to a very popular identity, that is the difference between squares, the difference of squares, or these are considered special factors. So that is in the form of a squared minus b squared, and this is equal to a plus b times the quantity a minus b. And here our a is x squared and b is 2. So we substitute this value to this special factor. Alright, so we're
having this one right here.
So the equation now becomes a is x squared. So from here, so x squared plus b, where b is 2, times the quantity a minus b, where a is x squared, minus b, b is 2, equals 0. So from here we're equating both factors to 0 now. So that is x squared plus 2 equals 0. And the right side, x squared minus 2 equals 0. X is equal to square root of negative 2. That is positive and negative. And on here, x is equal square root of 2. That's positive and negative also. So we have here 2 roots of x, and on the other side the same way. But on here, it will be in the form of imaginary number, since we have the square root of negative 2. And this is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 times square root of negative 1. So that's how it's written the same way. And from here, I is equal to square root of negative 1. So this value of x can be written the same way as then x is equal to positive and negative square root of 2i. The other way to write this, so we have 2 roots of x over here. So x is equal to the positive side, positive value of this is square root of 2i, and the other value is negative square root of 2i. And the other two roots we have here, x is equal to positive square root of 2, and the other value is negative square root of 2. So the values of x are, or the roots of x, are in imaginary form square root of 2 times I, and negative square root of 2 times I, and the other real roots, and these are square root of 2, that's positive, and the other one negative square root of 2. So these are the roots of x. That's our final answer.
And so that's all for now, and for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next videos. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.